Welcome to the Ultimate Health Quiz. 30 questions to test your knowledge about the human body, medicine, and health. But be careful. Very few people score higher than 20 out of 30. Can you do better? Get ready. The first question is coming right up. How many liters of blood does an adult have? An adult has about 5 liters of blood, which represents 7 to 8% of their body weight. What is the heaviest organ in the human body? The liver is the heaviest organ in the human body, weighing around 1.5 kilos. How many teeth does an adult normally have? An adult generally has 32 permanent teeth. Which muscle is mainly responsible for breathing? The diaphragm is the main muscle used for breathing. It allows air to enter and exit the lungs. What is the normal body temperature? Normal body temperature is around 37 degrees, 98.6 degrees. What is the normal fasting blood sugar level in a healthy adult? Normal fasting blood sugar ranges from 0.7 to 1.1 gl, maintaining proper energy balance. What is the average resting heart rate? At rest, the heart beats 60 to 80 times per minute to ensure proper oxygenation of the body. What blood pressure is considered ideal? The ideal blood pressure is 120/80 mm². Which organ filters the blood to remove toxins? The kidneys filter the blood and eliminate toxins through urine. What is the rarest blood type in the world? The rarest blood type is AB, found in less than 1% of people. Already 10. What if this is where things get serious? What is the average recommended sleep duration for adults? An adult needs about 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night on average. What is the leading cause of death in the world? The leading cause of death worldwide is cardiovascular disease, heart attack, stroke. Which deficiency causes the most common type of anemia? Iron deficiency is the most common cause of anemia. Which drink dehydrates the body the most? Alcohol causes strong dehydration, unlike coffee, which has a milder effect. Which hormone is nicknamed the stress hormone? Cortisol is called the stress hormone because it's secreted during prolonged stress. Which organ produces insulin? The pancreas produces insulin, which allows sugar to enter cells. Which part of the blood carries oxygen? Red blood cells carry oxygen thanks to hemoglobin. What is the average lifespan of a red blood cell? "120 days. That's the average lifespan of a red blood cell. Which mineral is essential for bone strength? Calcium, a key element for strong bones and teeth. What is the average duration of pregnancy? "40 weeks, or about 9 months of pregnancy." 20 questions done, 10 left. Do you think you can exceed 20 correct answers? Stay focused. Everything happens now. Which organ consumes the most energy at rest? The brain. It uses about 20% of the body's energy at rest. What is the main complication of untreated hypertension? Untreated hypertension is a major risk factor for stroke. What is the average length of the menstrual cycle? The average menstrual cycle lasts about 28 days, with variations between 21 and 35 days. What is the main addictive substance in tobacco? Nicotine is the main addictive substance in tobacco, responsible for dependence. What is the average duration of a full sleep cycle? A full sleep cycle, light, deep, and REM sleep, lasts about 90 minutes. What is the largest organ in the human body? With an area of 1.5 to 2 metaratro, the skin is the largest and most protective organ of the body. What is the normal oxygen saturation level, SpO2, in the blood? Normal oxygen saturation is above 95%. Below that indicates hypoxia. What is the main role of the small intestine? The small intestine is the main organ responsible for nutrient absorption. How many bones does the adult human skeleton have? The adult skeleton has 206 bones, compared to about 270 in a newborn. Which organ produces bile? The liver produces bile, which is then stored in the gallbladder. Bravo for making it to the end! So how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments and see if you beat the others. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next health quizzes.